Hey guys, just in Costa Maya now, our second port. Ship's been docked for an hour or so. We're just getting off. We'll show you around the town. We're not doing any crazy excursions, but we'll show you locally. Let's see what happens. Just got down the lane there from the cruise ships. This is what we walk into.
Okay, go together. How come here or here?
Oh no, there's definitely tons of...
Oh, babe. I don't have a Costa. I don't have a Costa Maya.
Costa Maya what?
Pandora card.
Well, if they got a Pandora, we can look.
There's Pandora right there.
Oh, Wonder Bar.
I just want to see. Swim up bar, babe. It's in a wetsuit.
I see that now.
I know.
There's flamingos, babe. It doesn't look like it's open yet. I'll say. You like cashews and almonds. You like them both.
I'll try one of each.
One of each, yeah.
That's good. This is a little warm. Be careful. We'll make home here. And if you don't finish your back, you can eat on the boat. I have the royal mix. In the royal mix, you find almond, cashews, pecan, and peanuts. They're really good. I like these. Which one are these?
It's just in the mix. The pecan is just in the mix.
It's a mix of that and all of these.
I'm going to show that it's like where the bus is coming. This is like another entrance. We're here in Costa Maya and we stopped at Cantina Latina, a little bar. Now, the drinks are kind of pricey. You're going to spend at least 16 bucks to drink. But it's a nice little place.
To a cardinal point while they perform the dance. Once they descend, they make 52 laps. Originally, the flyers' outfit were costumes elaborated with bird feathers. Welcome to Costa Maya. Welcome to paradise.
Yeah.
I got cash there.
Alright, we're leaving the port here. We stopped at this little bar. It's kind of cool. It's got these swings. And gonna go back on the boat, but you guys saw that pretty big port, lots of stuff in there. Expensive stuff, expensive drinks, but it's fun. So we'll keep on going. Alright guys, we're at this bar. We're about to get on the cruise and we met Mark and Teresa. Awesome people. We're here. We're about to get back on the cruise. They were fun to talk to for like an hour. We had a great time at this bar. Let's keep going. Back to the boat, guys. We had fun there. Now we just went to the port and it was fun. And you can haggle with some of those people, but a lot of stuff's pretty expensive. You know, you're gonna pay a lot for your drinks. But you can find some awesome stuff there. Lots of fun. They had a pool bar. You could sit in the pool and have drinks in this beautiful location. And now we're going back to the ship. If you go on a cruise and you want to have a relaxing day on the port, rather than going doing excursions and stuff outside of the port, this would be the port to do it at. It's one of the biggest ports I've been to, tons of restaurants, tons of things to do. You can really spend most of the day here and have a fun time. Anyways, this was the Costa Maya port video. See y'all later.